Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching a kitchen gadget review. So I think this is the very first one that I'm doing for this year. So I have a vegetable and fruit sheet maker here. So I recently saw this when I was on vacation. I decided to purchase it. So let's open this up here for you. So let's see what comes in the package here. So it has the instruction manual here. You can also do, they also have recipe and also tips in terms of the thickness, I guess, of these vegetable pasta that you can make. All right, so here's the machine. And these are the things. Let's open them up. Let's open the body here. All right. So there's a little quick instruction in terms of how we're gonna do this with our zucchini. I wish I have bought a skinnier zucchini here, so I don't know how this is gonna work. So we'll see. All right, so. All right, so I guess this is another blade. So you gotta be careful. Nicely packaged, so then it covers up the blade here, so that's good. And let's see, what's this? This is the knob on the side. So it goes in like this. All right, so this is how it's gonna work. All right, so let's give this a try. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick rinse here, and then we're gonna try it with the zucchini. So I'll be right back. I just finished rinsing out my pasta maker here, okay? So let's see how this works. Now, we have to go ahead and cut our zucchini here that fit in terms of the lengthwise here. All right, so I wish my zucchini is actually less fat. So, and we'll just cut it like this. All right, so it's supposed to go in here comfortably. So we're gonna snap this open. All right. Gee, I don't know. Yeah. So try to put this in the center here for sure. All right. And you're just gonna insert this in. Here goes nothing, right? All right, so that's good. This piece goes in here. Pretty much good to go. All right, so let's see how this performs. So I'm gonna reposition this so then you can see this a little bit better. I'm gonna make it long way here. And I'm gonna do it this way. Hopefully it works. And they also have these little legs here I found out. So let's get that going. And you gotta pull this device to make sure it goes in to where it lines up with the zucchini here. All right. So let's go, give it, oh my goodness, wow. All right, so I'm gonna have to get rid of this piece. So I guess it's kind of worked out, okay? So obviously, you know, you wanna make sure it's even. All right, so I guess it will fix itself eventually. Oh, this is really nice. Okay. This. like a pasta sheet. Okay, look at this. And that's it. So definitely, after trying it out, I think try to get the zucchini that is more evenly throughout the circumference of this zucchini. If it's fat like this, you will end up having a few pieces like this, which I think we can still make it work. I'm gonna cut out these pieces that I don't want. I don't want the skin. This definitely, I'm gonna toss it out. But now I'm gonna reconfigure this with this attachment now. And this attachment will make it like a noodle. Okay, so let's see how that works. Okay, so to disassemble this, we are going to open this back up. All right, you're gonna take this out. Take this out, remove it. And that's really the core of your zucchini. Okay. All right, so I think, now be careful with the blade here, it's really sharp, so. Okay, so let's do another one. All right, so this attachment goes in like this, on this end. Once you go all the way in, and then you just slide it and snap. All right, so now we're gonna do this one right now. Release this part. You have to release this part and then make sure it's touching the zucchini part. And let's see the noodles. All right, so I'm gonna remove some of the skin here. Zucchini fettuccine. So what a great alternative. A much healthier way than eating regular pasta. All right, so a little fail here because the core came out, okay? So I believe because it's the seed of the center of the zucchini, I would probably think if you do the cucumber, maybe it's a little bit better, but I will have to give that a try. But of course, also, it's probably better if you buy the zucchini that is more evenly shaped, not like this, where it's really fat on the bottom. So, so that's the downfall here. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with how evenly it can cut the zucchini pasta. So into even pieces of fettuccine. So that I am pretty happy with it. But definitely I am going to continue to play around with it and then see what other things I can do with this, and I will give you guys more update. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully if you have one of these machines, please feel free to comment below. And what brand do you have? This one, I just bought it for a very low price. And it was like under $10, so I give it a try. So for $10, I think this is still worth it. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe to the Food Travel Shopping channel. And I do a restaurant remake, and sometimes occasionally today I'm doing a kitchen gadget review. Also, I do a lot of stove unboxing. For those who've been watching stove unboxing, thanks for watching. And this is just branching out in terms of other things that I purchased around for the kitchen, and I decided to do a little review here. So if you have any other questions for me, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to give a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And I would love to hear from you if you have one of these vegetable cutter where it does the fettuccine as well as the layer of these lasagna pasta. So I would love to hear it. Now, like I said, for this price, I think it's pretty good in terms of the price points. It's under $10 US, so that's why I'm giving it a try. Thanks for watching.